Hello everyone, welcome to Homeopathy TSKM channel. Today we are going to talk about constitution. Basically, constitution originated from a Latin word. The definition for constitution is that aggregate of hereditary characters influenced more or less by environment which determines individual's reaction, successful or unsuccessful, to the stress of the environment. Under constitution, there are inherited traits. First is physical traits. Examples are such as hair, skin color and height. Second is predisposition to disease. It means increased risk for certain disease. For an example, heart disease. Third is diathesis. Diathesis means tendency to suffer from a particular medical condition. And the last one is behavioral traits. Now we are going to see the environmental influence on the inherited traits. First is physical traits. The genes detect skin color, but using cosmetic and skin products will be able to change the skin color. This will be the environmental influence on the physical traits. Under behavioral traits, people breed retrievers to chase things and bring them back. But the environmental influence against the behavioral traits is where you can train a retriever to instead roll over and play dead when it throws a ball. Under predisposition to medical condition, a person may be born with an increase of heart disease, but consuming healthy diet and regular exercise can reduce this risk. This will be the environmental influence on the predisposition of medical condition. The environmental influence is such as family setup before, during and after conception, school setup and other contexts. Factors influencing development are divided into 4 stages. First is before birth. Under before birth, there are genes, movement of fertilization between the mother and the father, inherited miasm such as syphilitic, psychotic, SORA or tubercular, and mother's state during pregnancy. Under at birth, there are labor process and stress during labor which is undergone by the mother. Third is after birth. Under after birth, there are physical environmental, domestic situation, socio-cultural, financial status, geographical situation, political situation, lifestyle, diet and nutrition, and also habits. Under further growth are all the process where previous factors, experience, fluctuation in life and twist in life situation. There are 3 classifications by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, which is soric, psychotic and syphilitic. There are also 3 classifications by Dr. von Grewal. They are based on elements in tissue or blood. First is oxygenite, where there is excess oxygen. Second is hydrogenoid, where there is excess water. Third is carbonitrogenide, where there is excess nitrogen. Now we are going to see what is under oxygenoid, hydrogenoid and carbonitrogenoid. First is oxygenoid. An oxygenoid person is prone to pulmonary tuberculosis, disease resulting in tissue destruction. They are also worse by cold, sea, open air, change in weather, before storm and hunger with. They are better by rest, while eating and dry hair. This oxygenoid constitution corresponds to Hahnemannian syphilitic constitution. For example of remedies for an oxygenoid person is nitric acid and tuberculinum. Now let's see what is a hydrogenoid constitution. It is predisposed to asthmatic condition, stone formation, inflammation and swellings. A hydrogenoid person is worse by rainy season, humid weather, bathing, eating fish, eating food which grows in water like rice, cucumber and carrot. They are better by heat, summer, dry weather and dry places. This hydrogenoid constitution corresponds to Hahnemannian psychotic constitution. Examples of remedy for a hydrogenoid constitution is such as natrium sulph and thuja. Now let's see what is a carbonitrogenoid constitution. A carbonitrogenoid person suffers from insomnia, palpitations, breathlessness, vertigo, convulsions, GIT complaints like constipation, indigestion, flatulence and poor appetite. They are also prone to rheumatism, gout, diabetes, kidney troubles and menstrual disorders. They will also have abortions, sterility and impotency. They are better by consolation, physical symptoms, rest and though mental symptoms are worsened. They are worse by any kind of activity, either physical or mental work, closed spaces, sexual access, overeating, loss of blood as in menses or piles. This carbonitrogenoid constitution corresponds to Hahnemannian soric constitution. Examples of remedy for this constitution is such as lycopodium, cupromet and carbovec. That's all for our constitution. Please subscribe to Homeopathy TSKM channel and see you all in the next video. Thank you.